Hi, I'm Henry Kovic. In case most of you forgot, because it's been like 1,000 years since I uploaded something, and I even feel ashamed to come here to upload it. Okay, so for some time now, WhatsApp has added this feature that allows users to send stickers as part of like emojis. So you can send stickers to your friends and family on WhatsApp when you're chatting with them, and over time you've realized the people have been able to make their own stickers. And I don't know if you've noticed, some of your friends have pictures of them, stickers of them, stickers of someone making fun of them and all that kind of stuff. Well, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create your own sticker and also be one of the cool kids on WhatsApp, or cool people on WhatsApp. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Okay, so to be able to create this sticker, you actually need to download the app called My Personal WhatsApp Stickers. I'll leave a link to it in the description. And depending on your workflow or what you are actually wanting to achieve, you can add Adobe Photoshop Mix. I'll explain how that fuses into this process later in the video. But then let's get to it. Okay, so with my phone, provided you've already installed the app, you open the app, WhatsApp sticker thing, and then sticker WhatsApp, that's what they call it, sticker WhatsApp. So for you guys who don't already have something, you just click on the plus sign, then it takes you, then it's the same process I'll follow. So because I already have a sticker, or I've already made a project, I'll open it. So I'll open my project, my sticker, and then I go to the pencil icon, and then so if you are to create a sticker for the first time, this is what you get. So if you want to create a sticker, you tap on this plus box thing, then you choose either square, freehand, square out, or circle out. So let's say freehand, because that's where the Photoshop Mix thing comes in. So you select from gallery, download. Let's say I want to use this girl. So it says draw an outline around the girl or the places that you want to use. So most of the time you just draw your outline and then you press OK. Don't mind me, I know my outline isn't perfect, but to save time, you can take your time to go through or to take the listing. But then one may argue, what if you want to cut out details and this one doesn't allow you to like zoom in to be able to get the edges that you want to cut, like to cut the edges that you want to cut. So that's where the Photoshop app comes in. So let's try the same thing by Photoshop. So you open your Adobe Photoshop Mix app.
A few moments later.
Still waiting. Then you click the plus sign, you choose device. So when you choose device, then you locate the image that you want to use as your sticker thing. So for me, let's still use the girl. I think I like the girl. You go to cut out. You cut out, then you go to you change the add sign to subtract, and then you change your feather size. Then you can now select where you want to go out. The reason why I would say people would prefer to use their Photoshop for the freehand cutting is with this one, when you hold on with your two hands, you can zoom in so that you can cut out the places. You can cut out places that might seem impossible, but then the app itself doesn't give you the chance. So let me do that. You use your two fingers to pinch and zoom to cut out. Then you use your two fingers to move it aside to slide it around. Okay, so I think this is okay. So, oh boy. Okay, so now, now we go to share. Then we save to gallery. So it's saved. So now we go back. Then you find the app for the Photoshop app. Then you go to pencil. And then So this time around, because we've already free cut it, you can now select freehand or anything else. Then you select, so Photoshop, you select it. So now that we've already cut it out, now we can just draw a circle around it. And then when you do send it to someone, it will be an empty something. So that's the process. Then you save it. When you're done saving it, you just click import WhatsApp sticker, and then you have it in your WhatsApp sticker. You have it in your WhatsApp as part of your WhatsApp stickers, so you can send it to your friends to make fun of them or any other thing. So yeah, that's that. If you have any question concerning this process or your thoughts or anything, you can tell me in the comment section below. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, you actually learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Yeah, I know I haven't been making videos, but then you should subscribe. It helps me. And yeah, I'll make future videos. I promise. Yeah, I promise I'll be making future videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you know when I do bring a new video. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay safe.